Today I'm going to show you guys how to install a steering wheel cover on your car the correct way. Chances are you probably already tried to put on your steering wheel cover and it doesn't fit, or you thought you had the wrong size and it just doesn't go, right? That's because this is way harder than you think it's going to be, but I'm going to show you how to do this very easily. So step number one, what you want to do is take your steering wheel cover and flip it inside out. I know this seems weird, and what we want to do here is we want to start stretching this thing out, because steering wheel covers are designed to have zero slippage on your steering wheel, because if they had any slippage, it would be horrible. It'd be a horrible safety concern, right? So what you want to do is just start stretching this bad boy out. I even put it on my knee. It kind of depends what kind you have, but there's like a rubber on the inside of these things, and the trick is to kind of stretch them out. Also, if your steering wheel cover is cold and it's in the middle of winter, consider putting it near a heater for a while, because these are rubber, you can kind of see in here. And what you want to do is just kind of stretch it out. Step number two, what we want to do here is put it back to normal. And then what we want to do here is align it how it needs to go on your steering wheel. What you want to do is make sure it aligns properly. Some of them have a seam, like this one has a seam right here. What I want to do is just kind of make sure that's on the bottom so it doesn't look funny. Maybe you have like hand grips or something and you want them on your 9 and 12 positions. Just make sure you have that correct. Next, what you want to do here is you want to put the top of the steering wheel cover at the very top. There's a bunch of different ways to do this, but I have found it to be the easiest. And make sure it aligns how you want it to be when you look at it, right? Then what you want to do here is you want to get the cover on the steering wheel itself inch by inch. A lot of people try to do like the whole thing and kind of push down on it, but that's not the case. That's not going to work. So slowly but surely go just inch by inch, or centimeter by centimeter, wherever you live, the metric system. And as you can see, I'm kind of coming down with it, and you're going to start looking at this and being like, man, this thing doesn't even fit, because you see this, like, it doesn't seem like it would line up. But what you actually have to do is just slowly kind of push the inside down and just kind of take your time, because as you stretch this thing, the rubber is also stretching out like with it. You know what I mean? A lot of people try to do this in like 20 seconds. It never works. And what I've seen some people do is put something like a screwdriver in here for leverage, but then you risk the chance of hurting your steering wheel. This is an old van and I don't care, but just for the sake, I'm not going to do that. So then what you want to do here is if you look down here, you want to just slowly inch this thing down and just start giving it tugs. I've heard a lot of feedback that people are like, hey man, you can't do this unless you're like a really strong guy. I kind of agree. Like, it is not easy. And if like you have someone that's pretty strong in your life that might have some patience to do this, then just kind of like put your fingers down here. I'll give you a better view here, and just kind of like give it a tug, because as you know, rubber stretches, and just keep tugging it. And then once you kind of get it over the steering wheel, what you then want to do is just kind of start just inching it inch by inch, centimeter by centimeter, millimeter by millimeter, and then just kind of twist it. And then you'll get it to a point where you can just start twisting it. If you can't get it, what you want to do is just give it some time. Give this 5 minutes, heat up your car, come back to it, because what's happening here is the rubber is stretching out. And you're giving it time. What you can also do is kind of peel the top forward a little bit, because what that does is it gives it a little extra at the bottom. So then kind of peel that like that, and then give this a tug. Get your fingers underneath the bottom. So there we have it. I got it. And once you kind of get it past the curve, you can kind of just start twisting it. See how I'm twisting it here? There you have it, guys. That is how to install a steering wheel cover. I'm sweating. You can see it. I wish you the best of luck. Hit me up in the comments down below. This is what it looks like. If you guys want to buy a steering wheel cover, I'll put a link to some down below, and make sure to subscribe to your boy Chris. Later.